Have you heard the latest rumor swirling around the tech world? It's a big one. Apple, the tech giant that revolutionized the smartphone and computer industries, might be getting into the car-making business. That's right, you heard it correctly. Apple may be cooking up something extraordinary in their labs, something that could potentially shake up the entire automotive industry as we know it. With its vast resources, cutting-edge tech, and well-established brand, Apple has all the ingredients to create something truly remarkable. Let's take a closer look at how the tech giant could use its expertise to make a car that would stand out from the rest. A look into Apple's deep pockets and vast resources. Apple has a staggering $200 billion in cash reserves, which puts them in a unique position to invest heavily in a new project like a car. However, it's unlikely that they would handle the production themselves, as they typically outsource the manufacturing of their other products. Instead, they would likely hire a contract manufacturer to build the vehicles for them, leveraging Tim Cook's expertise in supply chain management to ensure a smooth process. Do you think Apple's brand power could be the key to success in the car industry? When it comes to branding, Apple is already a household name that is synonymous with quality and innovation. Unlike other car companies that spend a lot of money on marketing to make themselves seem cool, Apple already has that reputation. This gives them a leg up in the automotive industry and could give them extraordinary leverage. Car makers are already clamoring to include Apple's CarPlay user experience in their future models. So it's not hard to imagine how an actual Apple car could be received by the public. What really sets Apple apart is their willingness to take risks. If Apple decides to develop a car, they could potentially spend a mind-boggling $20 billion on the project, a sum that would only be about 10% of their total cash reserves. This means that they could afford to take a risk and potentially fail without it putting a dent in their bottom line. And what would they be aiming for with all that cash and tech know-how? A self-driving electric car that handles all of life's details, of course. Is Apple about to change the game in the automotive industry? So what do you think? Can the tech giant really take on the likes of Tesla, Ford, and the other heavyweights of the automotive industry? The automotive industry has long been due for a shake-up, and if Apple enters the fray, we might just witness the dawn of a new era of transportation. So stay tuned, the future is looking brighter and more exciting than ever.